Once a year, the Lord of the universe steps out of his temple. Three majestic chariots. Millions of devotees. A journey of love, faith, and divine mystery. But why does Lord Jagannath leave his throne? What secrets lie behind the ropes, the wheels, and the chants of Jai Jagannath? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover will change the way you see devotion forever. Now let's begin. In the holy city of Puri, Odisha, Lord Jagannath lives with his brother Balbhadra and sister Subhadra in a grand temple. But once a year, they leave their temple and travel to their aunt's house, the Gundicha temple, in beautifully decorated chariots. This journey is called the Rath Yatra, and it's not just a festival, it's a symbol of divine love and equality. It's believed that Lord Jagannath wants to meet everyone, rich or poor, young or old, outside the temple walls. Each deity has their own chariot. Lord Jagannath's chariot is called Nandighosha. It has 16 wheels and is painted red and yellow. Balbhadra's chariot is Taladhwaja, with 14 wheels, in red and green. Subhadra's chariot is Darpadlana, with 12 wheels, in red and black. These chariots are made fresh every year using sacred wood, without a single nail. Even the ropes used to pull them are considered holy. Pulling the chariot is believed to wash away sins and bring blessings. Before the Rath Yatra begins, there are many beautiful rituals. Snana Purnima, the deities are bathed with 108 pots of water. Ansara, after the bath, the deities fall ill and rest for 15 days. Netrotsav, the day before the yatra, their eyes are reopened in a special ceremony. These rituals remind us that even God takes rest, gets sick, and heals, just like us. It's a divine way of showing that He understands our human journey. On the day of Rath Yatra, lakhs of devotees gather to pull the chariots through the streets of Puri. The deities travel about 3 kilometers to the Gundicha temple, where they stay for 7 days. This temple is believed to be the home of their aunt, Queen Gundicha. The journey is filled with singing, dancing, and pure joy. After 7 days, the deities return to their main temple in a return journey called Bahuda Yatra. On the way back, they stop at the Mausi Ma temple, aunt's temple, and are offered a special sweet called Pod Pitha, a traditional rice cake. The Rath Yatra teaches us humility. Even God steps down from his throne to meet us. Unity, people of all castes and backgrounds come together to pull the chariots. Love, the journey is a symbol of God's love for his devotees. It reminds us that spirituality is not just about rituals, it's about connection, compassion, and community. So next time you hear Jai Jagannath, remember, it's not just a chant. It's a call to open your heart, to walk the path of love, and to celebrate the divine in everyday life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Karma Connect for more spiritual stories and cultural journeys.